Welcome back to the video. The first thing you want to do is to open up your drive. Next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here. Then click on upload. Then from your phone album, you can select the photo that you want to upload. Go to click on this three slider. Then I go to images, camera, and I have all my photos right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to select this particular photo right here. And I'll simply click on upload right here. Complete. Click on open. Then you have the photo right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how to use your Google Drive on phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.